one of this. Oh, let's ride this one. Scooter.
There she goes. She leaving me, y'all. I thought you was about to leave me. Yeah.
Okay, that's why we're gonna go. Seafood market. Okay, waterfront, guys. Alright, let's get in there. Okay, people start coming in. I'm sorry, guys. I talk by myself. I don't even turn on my camera. Okay, I get this four spoon of this sauce right here. Okay, cocktail sauce, seafood dipping. I'm gonna make this seafood dipping and go eat the seafood. I'm gonna go waterfront in DC. I show you to go into seafood market. Okay, 4 spoon of this cocktail sauce and wasabi. This is wasabi right here. Okay, and about just what you see right here. I would say 1 spoon. 1, 2, 3 of this ingredient I'm gonna make together. Okay, and this Lao hot sauce right here. This is Lao hot sauce, and this I make my own. I provide in the Thai market. I sell Thai market. So what I do, this sauce too sweet for me. I have to mix. I have to fix it. That's the reason why I come up with the 3 ingredients right here. Okay, now my hot sauce right here. I'm gonna go ahead squeeze in here. Just taste first. More spicy, I always add on more, but right now I'm gonna go ahead mix. We're gonna go dipping seafood in the waterfront today. Enjoy today Sunday, guys. Okay, and mix it just like that and taste it. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Oh my god, so good. Ooh, it's bomb.com, huh? It's bomb.com. Add on more. I want more spice, guy, and I want more sauce. Loosen out. Look, this ingredient right here, I come up on my own because I want to eat spicy. This spicy wasabi. It's not spicy, but different kind of spice. Okay, this is the root, and this is hot cherry pepper. I make this. Okay, and I mix with this. And I bought this last night. You can buy this one at the market, okay? And what you do, you got this one right here and this one right here, 2 of this, and you can make them together. Okay, now the sauce already mixed right now. I'm gonna taste. Oh my god, it's bomb.com. Oh, so good. Guys, you don't believe this sauce right here. Crazy good. My goodness. That's crazy good. All you have to do, just 3 of ingredients right here, okay? So good. It's bomb.com, guys. You don't believe. Oh my god. I wish you could make this sauce with me. So good. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my jar. This is my bottle. I used to put my salt all the time. I'm gonna go ahead put. Okay, hold on. Fill up this salt in here in the jar right here. See that? Oh man, this is awesome. I wish I can share with you all, guys. I don't believe it. This is so good. It's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and make up. Okay guys, let's go eat seafood. Let's follow me, okay? I'm gonna show you how to go eat seafood because they don't have a good sauce. You have to add up to make on your own because there's no way can nobody sell my sauce right here. Okay? Alright, I'm gonna add on my hot sauce some more. Never go wrong with add on some more my hot sauce, okay? Can't go no wrong, okay? That's it. Right there. Nothing, but it's so good. So good. Alright. Okay, I got the top. Go ahead. See that? Oh my god, look at this. Almost look the same as salt right here, but this have the salt I mixed with cocktail salt. So become 2 cocktail salt dipping. Okay, I'm gonna put label. Okay, that's my label. Okay, I'm gonna put my label. Cause I make this salt. This is my salt, right? Cause I make this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Oh my god, guys, you don't believe this is so good, okay? This is bomb.com. Look at this. And I have the back label too. When you do business, you gotta let them know, you know, what's and what. So that's what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead put in here. Here, guys. There you go. Let's go eat seafood and salt ready. Oh my god, awesome, right? Awesome. Look at this. Okay, let's follow me. All of this put back in the refrigerator, and I always can do over and over, okay? Back refrigerator, I show you how to do this. Is my secret of mix up salt to dipping with seafood. Okay, let's go. Okay, king crab, giant shrimp, ตัวยักษ์ตัวใหญ่ guys. Come on, let's eat it. Okay, and oyster shooter right here. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to eat seafood. Look, king crab. What's a snow crab?
Yeah, we have snow crab legs, and we have jumbo shrimp, steamed shrimp, and we also have
Bring in here.
oyster shooters.
Yeah, show you how to eat oyster shooter.
You know, I don't know if you guys can
Yeah.
look that up, but you know, I don't know. But this is local. We in DC, so we just went down to the waterfront, the wharf in DC, and picked up some good stuff here. And we're gonna celebrate extended birthday. My wife, my lovely wife,
Thank
love
you.
her very much, and it's her birthday, and the whole month we celebrating her birthday. So, and we have Heineken's also.
Again, okay.
And,
And
you know, you
can you
can't
show
have
up?
oyster shooters without
Can you show up
beer.
my hot sauce right here? Bring both of them.
And you know, this is the
Both.
special sauce
Bring
right
out.
here.
This I just make that.
You know what? Let me go ahead and zoom in on it because I don't want to mess up the.
Pick it up, please. Pick it up. So,
Yeah,
pick up. Yeah, I got you when you pick it up. Okay.
yeah.
That's my hot sauce. I just make that today for the seafood. Okay, I put this my label seafood sauce, but not very exactly seafood sauce, but something mixed special for seafood. Okay. And this is seafood sauce right here. Can you pick up today? Yeah, the seafood sauce right there. Okay. And I'm gonna show you how to eat this with, and they have their own what is that?
Yeah, we got
No,
some.
what is that? The powder right there.
So this is you know, this is the crab sauce that they give you at the waterfront. It's like Old Bay seasoning.
Okay, Old Bay.
So it's
Okay.
sort of like Old Bay
It's
seasoning.
Old Bay. And my equipment right there. Alright, I got the girl from Hawaii. Open the wine. Okay, open the beer, hun. Hawaii girl. Pick up, open the, right there.
Yeah. Ta-da.
Yep, that's a Hawaii. Aloha, aloha.
Yep.
Oh yes.
So I assume you want to start off with the shooter
Start off,
since you
yeah,
guys can
shooter.
open the beer.
Okay. Alright. Okay, go start it. What's the shooter?
Yum, my favorite. Let's get them set up. You set them up, I'll knock them down.
Okay, the sauce.
Now,
Squeeze the salt in there.
oh yeah. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good.
Okay. That's
Mm.
good for now. Okay. And we're gonna start to eat it. Okay. Alright, guys. King crab right here. If you wanna eat king crab, you don't have to eat nothing because there's so much meat. Meat for the line. All you have to do is eat king crab right here.
Snow crab legs is awesome.
Here's the frog.พี่น้องมาเด้อมากินปูอเมริกาตัวยักษ์ตัวใหญ่เป็นบ่อยเนี่ยโอ้ my god look at it not even this salt they salty already
it's still good with the sauce.
So good. Okay, let me open it up. Okay. Oh my god, I want to open it up. Oh, look at that.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. I dip in the salt, man. I just make. Good fire.
Mm-hmm.
Chop. Pet the
There's
pet.
mine.
My god. So good, huh? Step life. มันด้วยในขนาด even like that. Oh, cannot come out.มาเด้อเอาอีกแล้วเนี่ยขั้นกินอันนี้นะบ่ต้องกินข้าวเด้อ don't have to eat no rice. Need to see it. King crab ค่อยๆมันก่อน snow crab
Snow crab,
snow crab leg
they're the best in town.
ปู
Let me tell you.
ยักษ์ปูใหญ่
No restaurant gonna get them fresher than this.
ปูเก็บได้ตรงนี้so good. So good. Bunda. Bunda. Oh my god. Use frog. Open it up. Oh my god, look at it.
That's what you want.
Oh my goodness.
That's the way you do it. It's all good.
Season salt. Off the hook. Ooh. Soda, beer. You know, I feel so
Depending on what
lucky.
you want.
We have the seafood in the capital where we at. They sell the seafood. So lucky.
Thank you for the Chesapeake Bay.
Mhm.
You know, Atlantic Ocean, not too far. We're on the east. This is the East Coast. Our water over here may not be as blue as it is in the Pacific, but we should have good crabs. We have good crab and shrimp.
Oh,
That's what you want.
cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
The good is good too. This is the best salt I make. The head salt today, so good.
Okay, he threw in some snow crabs, I think. It's
We hook it up, right?
like, yeah, the guy who sold us the crab
Hotel.
today, he hooked us up. He
ธรรมดา
gave us an extra pound for free.
อันนี้นะ
They're a little pricey. I will say that. You know, they're not cheap. But he hooked us up today. He gave us a free pound.
This $15 right
That's
here.
$15 right there.
And this is another 15.
So, you know,
We got
30.
the $30. And we eat already one. Eat already one just like that. He give free for free. But he looked at me, he said, where you come from? I'm from Asia. he give me free. That's it. I gotta hook up. Feel lucky. And I go today, every day people see me always throw out something, you know. I feel lucky, you know. Feel lucky, special. Here, or you got your beer? Ooh, you don't play, huh? Don't play at all, huh? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, good. Like the beer. Open เปิด December. ใช่สองเปิดทานยังไงเปิดจะซีดหวานเนื้อหวานหวานอิ่มเลยแซ่บ แซ่บแซ่บแซ่บหลายคนเพียงสิลองหักตัวเองเด้อคนดูนะเป็นห้างออกมาอยู่นะใส่โอ้I forgot the scissor that one I can cut very good the scissor that one you can cut them like that oh my god อิ่มเลยนี่นะคิดเลยกินคืนนี้เริ่มสุดยอด
Jumbo shrimp all day. I won't stop until they're gone.
Lord ตัวสุดท้ายแล้วพี่น้องเด้อหลายอิ่มสุดแบบสุดท้ายเลยนี่นะจะเดี๋ยวลากันละอิ่มละขอบใจด้วยเพื่อนๆทั้งหลายยก one last one
All right.
one last one okay so say goodbye ขอบใจหลายๆโอเคพบกันใหม่แล้วพี่น้อง
Guys, I'm stuffing my face. I can't. Sorry. It's too good.
alright okay bye see you later